Hello, and today we'll be checking out the WooCommerce Facebook Messenger plugin that basically allows an easy and an interactive sales experience to the web store customers for the WooCommerce platform-based web stores, and the customers can chat with the admin of the site and vice versa through the Facebook Messenger itself. And this can easily be accomplished by using the Facebook Messenger chat for the WooCommerce platform by Webpull, wherein the admin just needs to create the page ID and the app ID, then select the domain of the page where the admin wishes to display the messenger. And the icon or the messenger icon shall display at the storefront, as you can see right now. Because I'm at the WooCommerce web store front end, here you can see that we have this particular icon. That's the Facebook Messenger icon. If I tap on that, that brings up the section wherein the customers can log in through their uh, Facebook account, or they can also continue as a guest apart from that, and can send a direct message to the web store about the product. So for example, if I even go to the products page, here as well, the customer can find the Facebook Messenger chat, and if I have any inquiry about this particular product, I can directly ask it to the web store admin through the WooCommerce Facebook Messenger tab plugin by Webpull. And one just needs to log into the messenger and start a conversation. So therefore it becomes quite easier for an e-commerce site to reach out to a large number of customers through the Facebook Messenger chat plugin, and it's the most feasible way to drive your traffic to a site and generate the revenue as well. So let's get ahead and let's see the workflow of this particular plugin, how we can make use of that, and how we can set this up for our WooCommerce platform-based web store. And before we continue further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. And apart from that, to give it a thumbs up if you like this particular video. So now I'm here at the storefront, as you can see. And before that, also kindly note that the messenger shall be displayed in the front end or the store front end only on the pages that the admin has configured under the whitelisted domain section. So we'll show you that in the last of this video, when we're showing you how to set this up from the backend of the web store itself. So apart from the messages, the customers can also attach images, and for that, let's check that particular thing. So I'll be logging into the Facebook Messenger here by entering my username password for my Facebook account. I'll just tap here on the continue button, and now you can see that from here we can ask a question to the web store admin directly, and can get the what we say as the response for the same. Apart from that, we can also attach what we say as files. So let me give you a demo for that. If I tap here on that, and from here I can add one attachment for that, and that would be uploaded here using this messenger chat, and can then be checked by the web store admin as well. So that's how we can add the attachments or the files as well as text, and can directly chat with the web store admin. So you can see that the image as well as the text has been sent out. Let's upload one more attachment. I'll just tap here and I'll just choose my image. uh, Please provide some more info for the product. So you can see that the text as well as the image has been sent out to the web store admin, and we can now make a reply back using his account itself. Now, before going to the admin backend and to check how we can set up the WooCommerce Facebook Messenger plugin itself, before that, you need to have the Facebook Messenger app ID and the page ID. As you can see, the first two boxes that we have. So for that, let me show you how we can get these. So we can check our user guide that we have attached within the description of this particular video. So here you'll find this section, obtaining the page ID. And in order to set the configuration, so we need to have the page ID and the app ID from the Facebook itself. So for that, you just need to log into your Facebook by entering your login ID and the password, then navigate to explore, and then pages. Then you can create a new page. Right now, as you can see on the top right hand corner, you have the create page option. After choosing that up, you need to choose the business or brand. Then you need to set up your page name, the category, and you'll have to choose the category as the app page. from the drop down here, you can set up the page name and the category. You can upload a profile picture for the same. Apart from that, after you have done that, the page that the admin has created will be displayed as shown here. So this is a new page that we have created, and here is where the admin can make a reply back uh, to the query sent out from the front end from the messenger here. All of these would then be visible here to the admin on this page. And here you can find the page ID by navigating to about. I'll just show you that about, and then you'll have your details here. So you just navigate to your page ID on that about page, and you'll have your page ID. Similarly, you can check how to obtain the app ID, and to obtain your app ID, you'll have to log into the Facebook developers page by hitting this particular link that we've provided here. Then you need to navigate to my apps, and we'll have to create a new app first. So we'll set up the display name and the email for the new app. We'll be creating the app, then we'll have the app ID at the top, as you can see here. And after that, you can go to the app page under by navigating through settings advanced and the app page, and you can create a new page as well here as well, uh, as you can see here. And the rest of the details are also shown here, what you need to do. And after you've created your page, on the top right hand corner you'll have to tap on the settings option, and then you'll go to the advanced messaging section under the settings, and here you'll have to go to the whitelisted domain section on this particular page. And under the whitelisted domains, you'll have to add the domain of the page on which the messenger icon would be displayed at the storefront end, and according to that it will then be visible to the customers at the front end. If you have set it on the home page, product page, then it would be visible on the home and the product page. And if you not set it on the product page, then it would not be visible there on the product page itself. Now let's log into the WooCommerce backend panel, and let's see what different configuration settings are for this plugin after we have successfully installed it. So first of all, after the successful installation, we have this Facebook Messenger tag chat configuration icon. So if I tap on that, it would directly take us to the configuration section for this particular plugin, as you can see. So here we'll have to enter our Messenger app ID, and after entering your Messenger app ID and the page ID, you'll have to set up the Messenger theme color from the color palette for the Messenger's theme. So you can tap here and you can choose your particular color for the palette, and it's the same that small circular Messenger icon palette color is there. Then you can set up the Facebook Messenger welcome message. So the message that you set here is displayed at the customer logs in the Messenger, and you can also set up the logged out message, and it gets displayed after the customer logs out of the messenger itself from the storefront end. So if I log out of the messenger, I'll just tap here in the end chat, confirm, and you can see that we have been logged out of our account now. This message for the welcome message, hello, I'm here to help you in a better way. You can find the same here at the storefront as well. So it's the welcome message that the customers see, and similarly when we log out, we see that particular login message as well. So lastly, we have the enable disable Facebook Messenger option, and here we can enable or disable this Facebook Messenger option for our WooCommerce platform based web store as per our requirement. And lastly, just tap here on the save changes button to save the changes in the backend configuration after the successful installation of this particular plugin. So that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin works. And here you can also see that on the login page as well, I have this Facebook Messenger icon that has this palette color within it that's like in thunder icon here, that's of the blue color that we set. So that was much, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can also get back to us at webcool.uvidesk.com by creating a ticket depending upon your requirements or your doubts there. And thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.